Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm DaBossElla and today I'll be reviewing the Sensational Butta Lace wig. This is the Butta Unit 22. It is a glueless lace wig. The color I've chosen is the 613 pre-plucked HD lace. Now this is what it looks like out of the package. It has the virtually undetected HD lace which absorbs the light. That's why it makes it undetectable. It blends with most skin tones. It has the ear-to-ear lace with a 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area. It has the pre-plucked baby hairs and natural density hairline. It also has this strap in the back which is adjustable. There are 2 combs in the top of the wig and a comb in the back, and these combs are metal. Now look at this lace. This lace is just popping. It absorbs light, which makes it virtually undetectable as it melts into almost all skin tones. All right, this comes in multiple colors. So you just choose your color and then you rock on. Okay. I will leave a link for this wig in the description below. Okay, so in preparation of putting on the Butta Unit 22, I simply have my hair braided in some cornrows. You can see the shape of the cornrows. Got a little twist right here because I don't like to cornrow my edges back in case I want to wear something like that. I'm using this gripper, and I will leave a link for the gripper in the description box. They do have grippers that are tan colored. I have one, I don't know where it is, but we're just gonna do this today. And let me pull this up front. And I do have my edges, y'all. I have to talk about my edges because I've been wearing wigs for over 20 years and I still got my edges. It's because I made something really nice to keep my edges. All right, so again, here she is. I just cut the lace off of her. Now, I did wear her earlier, and she was amazing. She has the adjustable strap, 3 metal combs, that super long parting, that very nice lace that will just basically match skin tones. And then look at this lace line. So pretty, so natural looking. I'm gonna put her on. And she just flows, and she's so pretty. She's so pretty. All right, so I'm not one of those who like to glue my wig on, so I'm not gonna glue it on. I am just going to place her where I want to place her, and she looks very nice with this little baby hairs. And if you don't like to wear the baby hairs, you can simply take some hairspray and lay them down so they won't be like fly away. But I think that makes the hair look more natural, which I'm not a natural blonde, but it makes the wig look a little more have a better presentation. Anyway, so right here you can either use your combs, which I always put my combs behind my gripper, or there's the rubber band back here, the little band, see that? Just put it behind your ear and put that in front of your ear like that. And you don't have to worry if the wind blows. I'm one of those who, if the wind blows, I could care less. It's a wig, you know. I don't have anything to prove to anybody, so it's a wig. If you see it's a wig, you have great vision. If you say something about it, oh well, who cares? All right, so this is it. Y'all see that lace looks amazing. Of course, you can see where my cap starts and stops. If I didn't have on the cap, it'd be a different color, but if you just put you on a skin tone cap under there, you will be in business, honey. Let me show you what she looks like in the back. That is what she look. Did y'all see it? Excuse me. Oh, girl, my back look big. It's okay. It's my big back though. Let me show you over here. Oh. not the big back. Anyway, this is the Butter Lace unit, 22 color 613. She comes in multiple colors. I will leave a link in the description box for everything I'm using, including this Stila matte red lipstick that I love so much. Okay. And anything I'm wearing that y'all are interested in, I'll try to link it below. If you like this ring, it came from Shein. I don't have that link, and so did this one. Like $2, like $2, okay? 2 or 3. Anyway, I thank y'all for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Please thumbs up this video if y'all like this video. If I talk a little strange, it's because I'm wearing a partial. So yeah, the talking's gonna change. Anyway, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in another video. Y'all come back, thumbs up this video, and leave a comment if you want to, if you just feel like it, if you're cool, if you're beautiful, if you have time. I'll be forever grateful. Okay, thank y'all. Love y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.